Good morning. Today we're going to demystify something that might initially sound a bit complicated: HS and HTS codes. These codes are an integral part of international trade, and understanding them is crucial for anyone involved in importing or exporting goods. But don't let the jargon intimidate you. These codes are actually your ticket to smooth and efficient importing and exporting processes. They are the key to navigating the world of international commerce with confidence. If you've ever dreamed of sourcing unique products from around the globe to delight your customers, expanding your business horizons, or simply wanted to acquire that perfect, hard-to-find item from overseas for your personal collection, then you've come to the right place. We're here to guide you through the intricacies of these codes. International trade is what connects us, fostering the exchange of new ideas, diverse cultures, and innovative products across borders. But of course, with such a vast and interconnected system, it comes with a few essential rules and regulations to ensure fair and efficient trade practices. And what's one of the most important aspects to understand in this global marketplace? It's understanding the significance of HS and HTS codes. Think of them as the universal language spoken by customs officials worldwide. Get these codes right on your import documents and your shipments will breeze through customs without a hitch, arriving on time and within budget. However, get them wrong, and you could unfortunately face frustrating delays, unexpected inspections, and extra costs that can eat into your profits. But don't worry, there's no need to feel overwhelmed. We're here to break down the complexities of HS and HTS codes step by step, providing you with a clear and easy-to-understand explanation. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to confidently handle these codes like a seasoned pro, ensuring smooth and compliant international transactions. By the end of this guide, you'll see that these codes are not obstacles, but rather valuable tools that can help your business grow and thrive in the global marketplace. So let's dive in and get started on this journey to mastering HS and HTS codes. Ever wondered why a seemingly random string of numbers is so crucial in the world of international shipping? Why do we need these codes? Imagine a customs officer facing a mountain of boxes, each labeled only with vague terms like apparel or gifts. We are Yan Sourcing, a leading sourcing agent company who help customers source products, manage production, inspect goods, and manage shipping to make importing from China quickly and safely. How would they possibly know what's inside each package? How could they determine the contents, value, and applicable regulations? It would be utter chaos. This is where HS and HTS codes come to the rescue. They act as a universal translator, meticulously classifying goods so that everyone, from the shipper to the customs official, is on the same page, speaking the same language of trade. These codes are also essential because they determine the taxes or duties you pay when importing. Different products are subject to different rates depending on their classification. Using the right code tells customs exactly what your product is, providing crucial details about its composition, use, and origin. This ensures fair taxes are applied and facilitates smooth processing of your goods through customs. Beyond individual shipments, they also help governments track trade statistics, providing valuable insights into import and export trends. Furthermore, these codes are vital to monitor restricted or dangerous goods, ensuring the safety and security of international trade. For you, as an importer or exporter, using the correct code demonstrates professionalism and keeps your shipments moving swiftly through the complex global supply chain. Accurate codes mean fewer inspections, as customs officials can quickly verify the contents of your shipment. This translates to less paperwork, reducing the administrative burden on your business. Ultimately, it leads to faster delivery of your goods to their final destination. Think of it as speaking customs official language, a language they understand and appreciate. It opens doors for your business, fostering trust and efficiency in your international transactions. Get it right, and you'll save valuable time and hard-earned money, avoiding costly delays and penalties. That's why these seemingly simple codes are, in reality, your best friend and most valuable asset in the complex world of global trade. So how do you find the right code for your product? It starts with the Harmonized Tariff Schedule of the United States, or HTS US. Know your product inside and out. Material, use, and details matter. Don't just search shirt. Is it cotton, polyester, men's, women's, knitted, or woven? The more specific you are, the more accurate your code. Use the HTSU's online search tool and enter detailed keywords. Read chapter and section notes carefully. They define what fits where. If you're stuck, check what codes competitors use or consult a licensed customs broker. Brokers are experts who can help you avoid costly mistakes. Taking time to find the right code pays off every time you import. Treat the HTS US like your treasure map. It leads to smooth importing. Let's zoom out to the global level and consider the vast network of international trade that connects countries and economies. At the heart of this global exchange is the Harmonized System, or HS code, a standardized system created and maintained by the World Customs Organization. This organization plays a crucial role in facilitating international trade. The HS code is the international standard for classifying goods, ensuring that products are uniformly identified across borders. It's a universal language for trade. At its core, it's a 6-digit number, a seemingly simple code that unlocks a world of information about the product being traded. The first 2 digits are the chapter, representing a broad category of goods like apparel, electronics, or machinery. Think of it as the general subject of a book. The next 2 digits are the heading, which narrows down the group within that chapter. This is like a specific chapter in that book, focusing on a particular aspect of the broader subject. And the last 2 digits are the subheading, providing the most specific detail about the item. This is akin to a specific paragraph within that chapter, pinpointing the exact item being discussed. For example, October 20th, 61 could mean a cotton sweater specifically knitted or crocheted. This level of detail is crucial for accurate classification. This standardized system lets customs officials worldwide, regardless of their native language or country of origin, understand exactly what's in your shipment, facilitating smoother and more efficient customs clearance. The HS code is the foundation, the bedrock upon which international trade regulations are built. It serves as the base for all import-export codes, providing a common reference point for tariffs, trade statistics, and regulations. This standardization is what makes global trade possible, allowing businesses to navigate the complexities of international commerce with greater ease. When your supplier gives you an HS code for the products you're sourcing, you have a great starting point for your import journey. It's a valuable piece of information that can save you time and effort. But remember, the HS code is just the beginning of the classification process, especially when importing into specific countries. It's a crucial first step, but it's not the whole story for US imports. Countries add extra digits to the HS code for their own specific tariff and statistical needs. This is where the US HTS code, or Harmonized Tariff Schedule code, comes in, adding further specificity. The HS code is the root, the fundamental classification that's recognized worldwide. The HTS code is the branch, the more detailed and specific classification used within the United States. Understanding this hierarchical structure and how the HS code relates to the HTS code is key to importing successfully and ensuring compliance with US customs regulations. In the US, you'll use the Harmonized Tariff Schedule, HTS code, a 10-digit number. The first 6 digits are the international HS code. The last 4 are US specific. Digits 7 and 8 set specific duty rates for particular products. Digits 9 and 10 are for statistical tracking. The full 10-digit HTS code must be declared on your customs documents. Getting it right ensures you pay the correct duty and comply with regulations. It's your product's official passport into the US. Use the right code and your goods enter smoothly. Here's a great rule for small importers, the de minimis, or Section 321 exemption. If your shipment's value is under $800, it usually enters the US duty and tax-free. This applies to most products, but not all. Regulated goods and items like alcohol or tobacco are excluded. The $800 limit is per person per day. Even if no duty is due, you still need accurate paperwork and the correct HTS code. Carriers handle most of the process, but your info must be clear. It's a huge benefit for small businesses. Just double-check your product's eligibility. Let's put it all together with an example. Say you import 100 cotton t-shirts from Vietnam at $5 each, total $500. Shipping and insurance add $150. You find the correct 10-digit HTS code and see the duty rate is 16.5%. Duty is calculated on the $500 value. $500 x 0.165 equal sign $82.50. Add any processing fees and check for special tariffs, like Section 301 for goods from China. If extra tariffs apply, add those to your total duty. Knowing your product, the right HTS code, and the country of origin is crucial. Being prepared means no surprises and smooth importing. Use customs brokers or online resources if you need help. Every successful importer started where you are now. You're ready. Go make your importing dreams a reality.